I'm a bit excited because today I bought my first Swiss Army knife, Victorinox original. This is the Victorinox Tinker, the Tinker red model. That's the box. The model is Tinker red. These are the options. It has a lot of features, but not too many. Like, this is what it does. It has the big blade, normal blade. I think it's 11 millimeter, 9 millimeter or 11 millimeter. It's the regular blade, small blade. This is the opener, bottle opener, and flathead screwdriver. The cool Victorinox can opener. I'm excited to try this one. An opener, reamer, to also you can use it to sew in leather, and the Phillips screwdriver, and it has a keychain attachment and tweezers and toothpick. I have this one. I had this one for a long time from Lidl, and this also I made a video about it, but I forgot to mention about the toothpick. This also has a toothpick and the tweezers. Wow. Okay. So I bought it today, and I wanted to leave it for tomorrow to unpack it, unbox it. It doesn't come in those. It doesn't come in those nice little boxes, Victorinox boxes. It comes in this flat package. You have to open it, and it just looks like batteries. Really, batteries that come like this, and it 12 functions Tinker. I will put links in the description for this one to get it cheaper. I bought it a bit more expensive in a shop here. I paid 31 euro for this, but on Amazon you can find it $20, 20 euros, 23. It depends on the time of the year, I guess. It's a really nice gift for someone who doesn't have a Swiss Army knife. Get them a gift, a Swiss Army knife, and if they have a Swiss Army knife, they will always find an excuse to buy another one. So this is my first Swiss Army knife. This is my first Swiss Army knife, but I hope it's not gonna be my only Swiss Army knife, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's not talk about this. First and foremost, it's very compact. This is why I like it. It's really compact, and I mean, it has the large blade, there is the small blade, Phillips screwdriver. I say them in the order of the numbers. The can opener, with the small screwdriver also. It has a small screwdriver. Wireless stripper. Yeah, there is this wireless stripper here. Supposedly, I don't know how to use this thing. I have to learn how to use it. So let's have a quick look. I've been talking too much about it anyway. Let's check it. Let's check it and see how it feels like. Let's turn it around. Let's turn it around. This is the knife. Okay. So packaging is really the simple style Victorinox here, written fancy, but it's like battery package, not a nice cardboard box like in the old times. It's more like a modern flat package. The original Swiss Army knife, 12 functions, and this is the thing, this is the iconic red look. They have these in other colors, but why choose another color? Red is pretty nice for this. And it's all like For a first Swiss Army knife, I chose the model Tinker Red, model 1.4603.B1. I don't know what that means. This is, can't read this name. This is the person who made it, this company, in 1884. That's nice. So you have all these functions here. You have this is the can opener, bottle opener, small blade, large blade. This is the sewing and the reamer tool, Phillips head screwdriver. There is the attachment ring, and it has a toothpick and tweezers. This is the list here for information. Some Victorinox 2015, so that's the model 2015. Maybe it was just when this package was made. And the guarantee disclaimer: they guarantee all knives to be first class stainless steel, but it's if it's the user defects in material, workmanship, damage caused by normal wear and tear, misuse or abuse are not covered by this guarantee. So there is all knives and tools to be first class stainless steel, and it guarantees a lifetime against any defects in material and workmanship. So it's a lifetime guarantee, but for electronic components 2 years. A bit complicated, this disclaimer here. Okay. I have really high hopes from this. It looks really good quality and it looks nice and compact compared to my existing pocket knife. And I also have another one. I'm gonna open this one soon. This also has how many? 4 layers. This one has 4 layers. This was €2.50. And this one was about 5 or 6, 6 or 7. This was, I bought it from Lidl. It even has this other type of can opener, and even has a magnifier glass. We can look through into this. Okay. This has a lot of tools. This has a lot of tools, but it's really bulky, and it's really better to have something lighter. I might use this cord, a bit of cordage to attach on the ring. I think I will do that. It would look nice. Make it personalized. Okay, so how do you open this package? Use the existing knife to open the new one. Let's see. Hope I don't damage it. Okay, it went in. I need to get my other blade. Okay, I don't know where is the other one. So I'll really have to use my pocket knife for this. Yeah. Okay, I think we got it. Okay, put the other knife away. Other knife, put it away. Oh, let's see. Wow, is this a scratch? No, it was a piece of metal. Wow, and it's not heavy. It's so interesting. Wow, this, I don't know, I'll throw it. Okay, let's go closer. Let's have a closer look. I don't know, this is so shiny, this thing. This cover is really... doesn't feel very heavy though. It doesn't feel super heavy. It really feels good. It feels a bit light actually. I didn't imagine compared to this one. Look, it's like two layers versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers. It's a big difference. Okay, so this is my Swiss Army knife, and this marking here, it's very, it really screams quality, but it is a bit light, feels a bit shallow even. It feels a bit shallow. I think this cover, it's a bit flimsy, I don't know. Okay, let's try to open this thing. I don't like that it's shaking like this. I never like these things, but I will use a bit of paracord. Where is the logo? Here. Okay, like this. Yeah, this is my new pocket knife. Maybe this is the thumbnail. Okay. I'll take a piece of this, put it here. So let's open it. Open the toothpick. Or tweezers. Oh wow, the quality on this is much better than the previous one. You can actually use this. The tweezers, they can actually work like proper tweezers. Wow, this is pretty interesting. Let's go back. And then on the other side there is the toothpick. Interesting shape here. It's like it's how it's made, like this, to lock in place. Plastic toothpick. Yeah, it feels really reassuring when it's locking in. Wow, this feels really good. Those are the markings on the knife. Victorinox Swiss made stainless. It has fingerprints on it. And this is mine now. Let's clean it. It had some fingerprints on it. I guess it was not made by robots. I guess Victorinox Swiss made. Oh, and there is more. Officer Suisse. Officer Suisse. Okay. Oh, reassuring. Reassuring lock. Let's try the blade. Nice shape on the blade. Really pointy. Wow. Wow. You know, my previous knife was sharp, but this is extra sharp. This is really so well sharpened. Swiss Army knife, €31, and pocket knife, the other one. Okay, this is the comparison. The Swiss Army knife, €31, 30.99, and the second knife is 2.49, so it's €2.50 versus €30. Which one will be better? Test with a piece of paper. Yeah, this thing is really annoying, it's shaking like this. I have to really put some stuff on it. Test with the paper. Wow. Yeah, this is sharp enough. Yeah, this is so sharp that I really have to be careful with it. Too sharp. It feels really good. Yeah, closing. It's not easy to close it, so that's good. Like you can do some things with it. Feels good in the hand. I like that it doesn't have the corkscrew opener. I always dislike these corkscrew openers. Corkscrew. This thing, I always dislike it because it's always. This is always in your hand here. This corkscrew bottle opener, it's always in your hand and it's annoying here. But this one, it's nice and clean. Okay, the closing action. Oh, the second part of the closing, it's much more easy but reassuring at the same time. It's a nice clunk. And this is more hard to open. Okay, so what else is there? There is this Phillips head screwdriver, but it's a strange position. It should have been here, so it's like more like a normal screwdriver, but I guess it was not possible technically, but here there is a place where you could put a pin. I think I was reading that there is a place where you can put a pin there. Here, either on the red part, or inside there, but I think it's on the red part, I'm not sure, or inside. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Very nice, reassuring. It's very light though. This is very easy to carry around. So, what did you see? Small blade. Also very sharp. Wow. So the small blade. Wow. Yeah, I have to be careful with my fingers with this one. It's really sharp. This is really nice to use the small blade for some hard work activities and keep the large blade for more important stuff. Always nice to have two blades, large and smaller. Yeah, it's always here. So we have the knife, the big one, and this one. Oh, very nice opening, easy to open, but it locks in. And this is the can opener, and it's sharp here, so you will go through the can forward. I will make videos with this can opening action. And the flathead screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver. Interesting. It's a bit hard to close it. Oh, halfway lock. This is the wire stripper, but I don't know how to use this wire stripper. I think it's supposed to do it like this, or just pull it. It's for thin wires. Bottle opener. Oh, solid lock. Large flathead screwdriver. Really nice flathead screwdriver. This one. You can open things, open a can of paint, for example. Open the paint. Instead of using the knife, use this. So you protect the knife. And you can use open cans, open this bottle, caps on bottles, whatever you're drinking, soda, anything. And the wire stripper, I never used it, I don't know. And the wire stripper, I don't know how to use it. I will have to read about it a little bit. Maybe I might use it. This is the Tinker, so it should be for DIY enthusiasts, electronics, a lot of projects. Tinker. But these tools are made on other Victorinox products also, not only on the Swiss Army Knife, actually on other Swiss Army Knife models. But this is the Tinker, they have a lot of models. I wanted the one that is very basic. I wanted the can opener, the blade for sure. It would have been nice if it had a saw, but I thought I can just break a branch, I don't need to pretend to cut it with the saw. Yeah, this is very hard to close. It's really hard to close it, and it's halfway action here. Yeah, this is so if you have you put the screwdriver and you have more leverage. If it's a stuck screw, it will
you have more leverage like this. That's why I think that's why it's like that. So I think that's it. I know there's one more. There's one more. There is this thing. This is very nice actually. This is, you can make holes in leather and wood, and this is a sharp blade here. So it's a reamer. When you spin it, it can make inside of a pipe. You can clean the pipe inside after you cut it. For a plumber, this might be a good tool actually. And with this, you put a bit of string and you sew it. Make a hole in a leather or in wood, and you can pull a string through it. Nice sharp blade here, the reamer. Very nice. So this really is all that it can do. Let's open everything like this. I'll try to open them so I don't risk damaging my fingers. Like that, and one more. And it's amazing that I was able to make this video and not cut my finger. I almost got a bit injured on this small one, but it's okay. I'm fine. I didn't cut my finger. Everything is good. So you have the large blade, small blade, the reamer tool, screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, the can bottle opener and flathead screwdriver, large one, and the can opener and the small flathead screwdriver. That's the inside. Brass, it has a brass pins there, I think, and looks like aluminium actually. The inside, look, that's why it feels light. Maybe it would have been better if this was, maybe it is stainless steel, I don't know. You tell me if this is aluminium inside or stainless steel. I think this is aluminium, the shell inside. Oh, there's a cut. So yeah, this is the, and for sure you have the toothpick and the tweezers. I'll try to close it. Some dangerous cuts. I mean, I like it. My previous pocket knife is much bigger. The length is the same on both of them. And the blade, I think it's also the same. Yeah, the blade on the Victorinox, it's a bit larger, a bit bigger. So yeah, I have a Swiss Army knife now. Victorinox. Finally got it. I was thinking to get one of these for some time, but I thought maybe later. Why not Why not now? Oh, look here. When I closed, this is a bit of a defect. I closed the reamer. It locked this in place here. I didn't do it on purpose. I didn't even realize. So that's a bit of a defect. But okay. Swiss Army Knife. Oh yeah!
Today I got my. Today I'm a bit excited. I just bought my first. Today I'm a bit excited. It's so much light here, so much light. Today I'm a bit excited. I keep looking at the screen there. Today I'm a bit excited because today I bought my first. Today I'm a bit excited. Can you tell I'm excited?